This quick guide shows how to buy shares of Caris Life Sciences Inc., a precision medicine company focused on cancer diagnostics, trading on NASDAQ under the ticker CAI. This is educational information and not financial advice. To buy CAI, you need a brokerage account, and we will use eToro as an example to illustrate the steps. After registering, you must verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search box and type the ticker CAI to locate Caris Life Sciences Inc. Select the listing that matches the NASDAQ exchange and the company name to ensure it is the correct share. Open the stock page to review basic company information and the live price chart. Confirm the company name, ticker CAI, and NASDAQ listing so you are looking at the right asset. Tap or click Invest, enter the amount you want to buy, and check the order summary before confirming the purchase. If the market is closed, your order may remain pending or execute at the next session. And if your balance is insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add funds before confirmation. Your new position will appear in your portfolio, where you can monitor it alongside your other holdings. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to visit the platform.